Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the weekly events, like the weekly request. So it's complete personal goals 2 times in advance. So you can start the events by yourself, but I'm just going to join the Nest of Hundreds event because Bailey is hosting it and I don't have to pay for it if like an NPC is hosting it basically. So basically, I keep saying basically, you have to complete the personal goals. So scan birds to get info cards with a total of 30 stars. Wait for the event to end. I think the fishing one is the easiest, but I do need to level up my bird watching and insect catching hobby because those are the two that I have left that I have yet to upgrade till level 10 of the hobby. The rest are all level 10 and I cannot upgrade further until I've reached DG level 50, which I don't know how long that's going to take. I'm currently on DG level 36, hopefully 37 by tomorrow. I think, yes, 37 by tomorrow. So yeah, that is how you can complete weekly requests. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.